How to change system navigation on Android. In this video, I'll show you how to change your system navigation in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Now, scroll down and tap Display. On some Android phones, you may find this option under Home Screen or System. Look for System Navigation, Navigation Mode, or Navigation Bar, then tap on it. Here, you'll see options: button, swipe gesture, and 3-button navigation, or button order. Simply select swipe gesture if you want to navigate using swipes, or choose 3-button navigation if you prefer the traditional back, home, and recent apps buttons. If your phone offers gesture tutorials or demos, you can tap on them to learn how each gesture works before switching. Your changes will be applied instantly, and you can switch back anytime by following the same steps. That's it. You've successfully changed the navigation mode on your Android phone. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android how-to tutorials.